Good morning, student. In our GK subject, today we are going to complete our quiz number 6. Now, first part is literature. Name their partners. First, Hansel and Gretel. Hansel and Gretel. Romeo and Juliet. Tweedledum and Tweedledee. Shakuntala and Dushyant. Walrus and the carpenter. Now mathematics and science. Match the scientific terms used the separating substances from their mixture by placing the corresponding alphabets in the boxes. First, distillation, it is becomes to obtain a liquid in its pure form. Centrifugation, it's become the separating butter from curd. Sublimation, it means to separate substances that directly go into gaseous state. Then chromatographic, it means two or more solutes dissolved in the same solvent. And magnetic method, it means iron filling mixed with mud. Now write the names of all the segments outlined in the figure below. Now first figure, the segments are AB, BC, CD and DE. In next PQ and this line is EF. Now see the next social studies. Pick out the right words from the box to bring out the meaning. Soldier on horseback is called cavalry. To shift people to place of safety during threat of floods, bombing and so on, it's the evacuate. To surrounded territory in order to capture it, it is the besiege. Shells, bombs and guns used in war, it called as a ammunition. Unfurling the national flag, it is the hoist. Now general science. Name the following. Twins born to Rama and Sita according to the Hindu mythology, it is Lava and Kush. A planet and a metal with the same name, Mercury. Official documents needed to leave your country and visit another country, it's called as a visa and as well as passport. Expanded form of the abbreviation NCC, it means National Cadet Corps. And fifth one, logo used by Air India, it is a Maharaja. So dear student, you have to write down the quiz number 6 in your notebooks. So we'll see the quiz number 7. First is literature. Explain the following expression. First, by hook or crook I shall have it. It means at any cost, by fear or foul means. Next, do not shed crocodile tears. Do not shed crocodile tears. It means hypocritical, fake tears. Hypocritical or fake tears. Next one, you can have it by all means certainly. Next, to move heaven and earth, it means to make all efforts. To pull together, it means to work together. Then, dear devil, it means fearlessly. Now be mathematics and science. Identify the brackets from the illustration and name them. You have to give the name of this bracket. The first bracket is called as a square. The second type bracket is called as a brace, and the third type bracket is called as a round. Now next, identify the following laboratory apparatus in the picture. First picture shows in the retort. Second one is round bottom plaster. Third is beaker. Fourth is Bunsen burner, and the fifth one is funnel. Social studies. Number C. Take the right choice. First, the weather of a place remain in the same or changes from day to day. It is correct only changes from day to day. Next, a tourist should get information on the climate or weather on the countries he is likely to visit. Is it the climate? Correct only is the climate. The well-preserved dead bodies of the Egyptian kings are called coffins or mummies or skeletal remains. It correct one is mummies. Trade between two or more foreign countries is called local, interstate or international trade. It is called as international trade. Next one, a society in which majority of people are superstitious and have blind faith in customs is described as an underdeveloped or a backward society. It is called as a backward society. Now next one is general science. How much do you know? The question is there. First question, who is known as the football king? It is Pele. Next one, what is the shape of football ground? The shape of football ground is rectangular. Next, which is the most musical of Indian birds? It is quail. Now, Avari is obtained from the tusks of the elephant and the rhinoceros. The plants get their coloring from the chlorophyll present in them. So, dear student, quiz number 7 also you have to write down in your notebook.